Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you cannot start, you get the error cannot start remote desktop service specifically after installing a Windows update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing, you will have to search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to remote desktop service. Right click on it and then select start. This is how you will restart it after an update if it has stopped. But here's the thing, this is a workaround. See, ideally in cases where the issue has a recurring root cause, I would say that a workaround is not the option. But here's the thing, if it was after a specific Windows update, then we have fixed the problem. But if you still have an issue with it, then you can consider rolling back the update. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Update History. Select Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall and then select Uninstall corresponding to the update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.